ሄሎ እንደምናችሁ ተማሪዎች ሰላም ናችሁ? ባላችሁበት የጌታ ሰላም ይብዛላችሁ። ዛሬ ጂኦግራፊ ቻፕተር 1 ግሬድ 11 ይዤላችሁ መጥቻለሁኝ። ይህ ቪዲዮ ከ10ኛ ክፍል ወደ 11ኛ ክፍል ላለፋችሁ ተማሪዎች በጣም አስፈላጊና ወሳኝ የሆነ ጭብጥ ሐሳብ ስለሚሰጣችሁ ከምትቦዝኑ በዚህ ክረምት ወቢቲዩብን በመከታተል ትምህርታችሁን እንድታጠኑና ከወዲሁ ለ2018 ትምህርት ዘመን ቅድመ ዝግጅት እንድታደርጉ ከቻፕተር 1 1.1 ፎርሜሽን ኦፍ ኮንቲነንት ከምለው በምንም ይሁን በየትኛውም መንገድ በየትኛውም ፈተና ላይ የማይቀሩ 29 ጥያቄዎችን በዚህ ቪዲዮ ልሰራላችሁ መጥቻለሁኝ። ለዚህ ይህን ቪዲዮ አለማየት ሞኝነት ነው። ቀጥታ ወደ ጥያቄዎቹ። አከም ጅርቱ በረቶተ ነጋ ኬሰኒ har'a karaa adda ta'een barattoota kutaa 10 gara kutaa 11tti darbitaniidhaaf ganna kana akka hojii hiiktaniin teenyedhaaf viidiyoo kana isiniif qabadhee dhufeera. Barnoota kutaa 11tti bara barnoota 2018tti barachuu qabdan dursee viidiyoodhaan isiniif dhiyeesseera. Kanaaf wabii tiyuubii wajjin ta'uun qayyabachuun milkoomina barnoota keessan irratti argachuu qabdan akka mirkaneeffattan gamanumaan isin affeera. Gaaffilee baay'ee barbaachisoo fi murteessoo kamiinis haa ta'u karaa kamiinuu qormaata kamirrattuu hafuu kan hin dandeenye gaaffii 29 mata duree tokko tuqaa tokko formation of continents kan jedhu jala isiniif qabadhee dhiyaadheera. Kallattumaan gara sanatti deemna. Choose the correct answer from the given alternatives. Question number 1. Which of the following best explains the importance of studying the formation of the solar system when learning about Earth's origin? A. Because the Earth is older than other planets. B. Because the Earth formed as part of the process that created the solar system. C. Because the sun formed after the planets. D. Because Earth's formation is unrelated to other planets. Question number 2. The widely accepted theory for the origin of the universe is A. Plate tectonic theory. B. Nebular hypothesis. C. Big Bang theory. D. Catastrophism. Question number 3. Which of the following process correctly describes how space objects like planets and stars were formed according to the Big Bang theory? A. Volcanic eruption, cooling, and condensation. B. Gravitational attraction, material collision, and cooling. C. Tidal waves, sedimentation, and crystallization. D. Earthquake, erosion, and sedimentation. Students, I give you 10 seconds. Good. The correct answer for question number 1 is B. The Earth is formed as a part of the process that created the solar system. Is the best explanation about studying the formation of the solar system when learning about Earth's origin. Question number 2. The Big Bang theory is the most widely accepted theory that explains about the origin of the universe. On the coming lesson, I will give you a detailed note and explanation, but the correct answer for this question is C. Question number 3. Gravitational attraction, material collision, and cooling processes are correctly describe how the space objects like planets, stars, moons, asteroids were formed according to the Big Bang Theory. So, B is the correct answer. Question number 4. The Earth was formed approximately in A. 30.8 billion years ago, B. 4.5 billion years ago, C. 514 million years ago, D. 306 million years ago. Question number 5. Which supercontinent is recognized as the earliest known supercontinent? A. Pangaea, B. Laurasia, C. Gondwanaland, D. Rodinia. Question number 6. Gondwana supercontinent evolved around which geographical location? A. North Pole, B. Equator, C. South Pole, D. Mid-Atlantic. Question number 7. By the Ordovician period, at 458 mega annum, which four major continents had developed? A. Africa, Asia, Europe, and Australia. B. North America, South America, Antarctica, Russia. C. Gondwana, Baltica, Siberia, Laurasia. D. India, Russia, Africa, Australia. Good. The Earth was formed approximately 4.5 billion years ago. B is the correct answer. The earliest known supercontinent is Rodinia. Rodinia is the supercontinent which is recognized as the earliest known supercontinent. Gondwana supercontinent evolved around South Pole. C is the correct answer for question number 6. By the Ordovician period, Gondwana, Baltica, Siberia, and Laurasia, the four major continents had developed. So, C is the correct answer for question number 7. Question number 8. The collision between Laurasia and the Baltica resulted in A. Formation of the Himalaya, B. Opening of the Atlantic Ocean, C. Closing of the Lapta Sea, D. Creation of Rodinia. Question number 9. Continuous continental collision during the early Devonian period of 390 mega annum led to the formation of A. Pangaea, B. Pre-Pangaea landmass, C. Rodinia, D. Quaternary oceans. Question number 10. The gradual assemblage of rocks that formed North America began around A. 514 mega annum, B. 306 mega annum, C. 210 mega annum, D. 140 mega annum. Question number 11. Pangaea supercontinent existed approximately between A. 13.8 billion years ago, B. 1.1 billion to 750 million years ago, C. 255 to 210 million years ago, D. 514 to 390 million years ago. Question number 12. Which of the following event marked the beginning of the formation of Atlantic Ocean? A. collision of India and Russia. B. Breakup of Pangaea. C. Formation of Rodina. D. Laurasia Baltica collision. ቀድሞ ጂኦ ለሰን 17 ቲዩብ ተብሎ የሚታወቀው ያውኑን ወቢ ቲዩብ ሰብስክራይብ፣ ሼር፣ ላይክ፣ ኮመንት ማድረግን አትዘናጉ። Closing of the letter C is the result of the collision between Laurasia and Baltica. So, C is the correct answer. The continuous continental collision during the early Devonian period of 390 mega annum led to the formation of Pre-Pangean landform. B is the correct answer. The gradual assemblage of rocks that form the North America began around 306 mega annum. B is the correct answer again. Pangaea supercontinent existed approximately between 255 to 210 million years ago. C is the correct answer. The breakup of Pangaea was marked the beginning of the formation of Atlantic Ocean. B is the correct answer for question number 12. Question number 13. Pangaea split into two giant landmass around 160 mega annum. Which were they? A. Rodina and Baltica. B. Gondwana land and Laurasia. C. Russia and Africa. D. Asia and Antarctica. Question number 14. The movement of India northward from Gondwana started approximately A. at 306 mega annum. B. 140 MA. C. 4.5 billion years ago. D. 13.8 billion years ago. Question number 15. The collision of India with Russia later resulted in the formation of A. Pacific Ocean. B. Tatsy Sea. C. Himalaya. D. Mediterranean Sea. Question number 16. Australia separated from Antarctica approximately A. at 100 mega annum. B. at 514. C. at 210. D. 13.8 billion years ago. Question number 17. The final positioning of today's continent was completed in the A. Cretaceous period. B. Devonian period. C. Quaternary period. D. Cambrian period. Good. Gondwana land and Laurasia are the two giant land masses formed by the split of Pangaea during 160 mega annum. So B is the correct answer. The movement of India northward from Gondwana started approximately at 140 MA. The collision of India with Russia resulted in the formation of the Himalayan mountain. C is the correct answer. Australia is separated from Antarctica approximately at 100 mega annum. A is the correct answer. The final positioning of today's continent was completed in the recent era of Cenozoic Quaternary period. C is the correct answer. Question number 18. Which of the following best describes the reason why the continent shifted east and west after Pangaea's breakup? A. Sea level rise. B. Plate tectonic movement. C. Volcanic eruption. D. Ocean current change. Number 19. What critical process caused the creation of large ocean masses such as Atlantic Ocean? A. Seafloor spreading and continental drift. B. Meteorites impacts. C. Solar eruptions. D. The Big Bang directly. Question number 20. What is the correct chronological order of the supercontinent's formation based on the geological record? A. Pangaea, Rodinia, Gondwana. B. Rodinia, Gondwana, Pangaea. C. Gondwana, Pangaea, Rodinia. D. Rodinia, Pangaea, Gondwana. Plate tectonic movement is the major reason for the shift of continents east and west after the Pangaean breakup. So, B is the correct answer for question number 18. The seafloor spreading and the continental drift processes are the major cause for the creation of large ocean masses such as the Atlantic Oceans. So, A is the correct answer for question number 19. The correct chronological order of the supercontinent's formation based on the geological record from the earliest to the recent one is Rodinia, Gondwana, and Pangaea. So, B is the correct answer for question number 20. Question number 21. Question number 21. Which major geographical event directly resulted from the northward movement of India after 140 MA? A. Separation of Australia from Antarctica. B. Formation of the Himalaya. C. Breakup of Laurasia. D. Closing of the Left Sea. Question number 22. Which of the following statements about the Big Bang theory is incorrect? A. It explains the origin of the universe. B. It describes the cooling of the Earth's core. C. It began with an extremely dense hot matter expanding rapidly for the universe's origin. Question number 23. Which of the following periods saw the complete formation of North America from rock assemblages? A. Devonian. B. Late Carboniferous. C. Cretaceous. D. Quaternary. Good. Formation of Himalayan mountain is the major geographical event directly resulted from the northward movement of India after 140 megaannum. So, B is the correct answer. Question number 22. The incorrect theory about the Big Bang theory is it describes the cooling of the Earth's core is incorrect. B is the correct answer. For question number 23, the complete formation of North America from rock assemblage takes place during the late Carboniferous. B is the correct answer. Question number 24. The primary mechanism that led to the separation of Pangaea and the drift of continent is A. Big Bang explosion, B. Earth's rotation, C. Tectonic plate movement, D. Gravitational pull of the moon. Question number 25. Which of the following occurred during the Triassic period? A. The formation of Rhodina, B. The breakup of Pangaea began, C. Formation of 4 major continents, D. Formation of the Milky Way galaxy. Question number 26. The Atlantic Ocean was formed primarily due to A. Meteorite collisions in the Cambrian period, B. The Big Bang explosion, C. Separation of Gondwana and Laurasia after Pangaea's breakup, D. The formation of Rhodina. Tectonic plate movement is the primary mechanism that led to the separation of Pangaea and the drift of continents. So, C is the correct answer. The breakup of Pangaea began during the Triassic period. So, B is the correct answer for this one. The Atlantic Ocean was formed primarily due to the separation of Gondwana and Laurasia after the Pangaea's breakup. So, C is the correct answer. Question number 27. Which supercontinent existed around 1.1 billion to 750 million years ago? A. Gondwana, B. Rhodina, C. Pangaea, D. Laurasia. Question number 28. Which geological event preceded the formation of Pangaea? A. Laurasia Baltica collision, B. India colliding with Russia, C. Breakup of Pangaea, D. Opening of the Atlantic Ocean. Question number 29. Which of the following best describes the significance of continental drift to present-day geography? A. It proves Earth is flat. B. It explains why continents are static. C. It provides evidence that Earth's surface is dynamic and constantly changing. D. It confirms continents never changed position. Rhodina is the supercontinent that exists around 1.1 billion to 750 million years ago. B is the correct answer. Laurasia Baltica collision are the geological event preceded the formation of Pangaea. So, A is the correct answer. Question number 29. Providing evidence that the Earth's surface is dynamic and constantly changing is the best description that is significant for continental drift to present-day geography. So, C is the correct answer. Chaanalii keessan Geolesson 17 Tube waan daawwattaniif galatooma. Geolesson 17 Tube chaanaalachuun sila gobanyaachuu አመሰግናለሁ. Geolesson 17 Tube chaanaalii milkoomina egeree dhalootaaf dhimmu